Hey guys, so here Jason Rose, he's going to talk about the Millie from Rupes. I don't know squat about it. I want it. It's my next buy. And here we go. So I'm just wondering, I want Jason's opinion on the best buffers for detailing aircraft. That's what I want. And I'm still holding the monkey. Yeah, I'm holding it.
So just first off, before we talk about this Millie tool, there's three major tool categories. There's rotary, there's the popular dual action random orbitals, and then there's this thing called a gear-driven orbital. And that's what our Millie gear-driven orbital tool is. So this is a tool that has a dual action movement, which is an orbit and a rotation, but they're both forced.
Yep.
So what this means is that the gear-driven orbital is considered in between a rotary and a random orbital in aggressiveness. So this lends itself really well for aircraft because it has some of the benefits of the rotary action, in other words, strong defect removal, and then it has some of the benefits of a random orbital, which is strong finishing.
Yep.
So this is kind of, it's like if a rotary and a random orbital had a baby, it would be the Millie. So that's what this tool is, and it has some dedicated pads and liquids. They all work together to create the result. So the movement itself is completely forced, which allows you to tilt. You can actually tilt the tool.
Oh, and it won't stall out.
Yeah. So you can take this, which for aircraft would be a great benefit. You have curves and all that stuff. So you can actually tilt this like you would a rotary, and yet you get the benefit of less aggressiveness for a gear-driven orbit.
Yeah, that's why I want it.
Well, you got this instead.
Yeah, I got this instead. It's fucked up. Yeah, no, so what happens sometimes with me is I see a situation where I'll run ahead of my guys with a high-speed buffer, and then I'll have two guys behind me chasing me with dual-action buffers, finishing, removing my holograms and all that stuff. Whereas this, I could probably set two guys on this and leave me out of the equation and get the cut I need and the finishing polish, and not be as worried about having my guy burn through paint using a high-speed rotary. Because that's like, I try and steer away from them because we have rivets, we have all sorts of issues where we can easily burn through paint, and the high speeds are just, I'm usually holding the high speed for running one, but I feel safe with the 21, I feel safe with the guys running this, so that's why I really just wanted to come and get the full aspect of it from the pros. Like, I'm in shell shock right now. I'm like, am I standing next to Jason and doing a video with them and a monkey? It's awesome.
It's my honor.
Thanks, bud. So yeah, what's happening is the aviation industry does not know squat about paint correction. They usually just finish with rotaries, bulls. And so I'm trying to educate pilots, aircraft mechanics, and aircraft detailers that have been around for 20, 30 years that this is the stuff you want to start using. It's going to give you better results, faster, safer, a lot less stress. Because I can tell you what, it's stressful working on aircraft. People's lives are in danger, and our jobs are not so much like cosmetics, but it's more maintenance too. We're preventing corrosion, we're preventing a lot of stuff. So this stuff's super important to me, and like I've been using these buffers for a long time. I love them. So thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
My pleasure.